This is Paul Yoakum at Westport Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We received tremendous response from our recent hunting commercial, both positive and negative. But John and Eric want you to know that no one was injured during the making of this commercial.
As avid hunters, Eric and I both strongly support hunter safety. But if you're hunting for great deals, Eric and I promise no misfires, just low prices on all of our Chrysler Dodge Jeep Rams and Tri-County's largest pre-owned inventory.
Westport Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, located at the Kmart Plaza.